Yo, is this for real? 3D printing industry evangelist. Creality, you've really got to learn stuff, man. So yeah, I got a box today. Got it from the Jungle website. Let's open it up. So it comes with cardboard. Big old black bag. Oh, there, instructions. It's an enclosure. That's just a rectangle, but it's a few rectangles. Go, hold on. It's a tent. Very large tent. Connectors. All right. So, yeah. I'm going to put this thing into an enclosure. I've already had an enclosure. It's out behind the camera there. But it was for the smaller of the machines that I had. As I've spoken about before, it gets cold. It is 60 degrees. I need it to be like warmer. Have a sip of tea and then we'll get to this. All right, first off, I got this from Creality. Its dimensions are big enough for this machine. Oh, already it's a lot different. Really the the directions. That is really it. There are your destructions. Got like a canvas material on it, the outside, compared to that one. Oh my god, it is freaking huge compared to the other one. I mean, it says Creality, but we can just cover that up. What the hell is that? More ventilation? It's pretty much a grow tent. My god. And then a little pocket. Okay. Zipper. What are these things good for? Well, a lot of people get them for fumes. I got mine, as I said, for heat. We will see how well that, does. I don't have a... Man, that thing's huge. I don't have a, Dude, I can fit in this thing! This is freaking awesome! Oh my god, look. I'm like a freaking cat with a freaking box. It's really hard to open now. Look at this. I can fucking wear this. This is, look, Halloween. I win. So anyways, so that's going to be, is that the top? Yeah. Well, of course it's the top. I mean, you don't need a hole in the bottom. So, one car garage really kind of sucks. I mean, I know it's a long one car. Not really, I don't know. There's the interior. Come on now. It's freaking big. It's heavier too than I thought it was going to be. So, it's supposed to be fireproof, waterproof, blah, blah, blah. I just wanted it for that. It's almost like a heated chamber. Man, I look fat in this, don't I? What the fuck? I mean, I'm losing weight. Man, I'm fucking stoned. But anyways. Alright, so 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 3s. Just a little spring-loaded push button thing to put them together, so. Let me just push these all together here quick. These are all the 1s, so these are going to be the depth of it. The 3s were the verticals, and then the 2s are going to be the horizontals in front. By the way, if you're watching this, then my last video was made about an hour and a half ago. So, alright. Love how these come in a Ziploc bag. So these are going to be my verticals. Those were my depth. Another one there. Another one there. Another one here. This one here. And that there. This here. I don't know why I'm talking out loud anymore. And that one there. Look, I've made a it's rectangle. I almost said square. Almost said square. Having fun putting it together though. It's like, what were those things? Connects? Is that what it was? Starts with, you know, with a K. Connects. I don't know if this will fit a max. I don't believe it will. Actually, just looking at it, it won't. Ooh. Jesus, I'm hitting the lights now. Okay, actually. Wow. Get in that hole right there. Get in that hole, baby. Oh, freaking this is cool. Tight like a tiger. There we go. That's pretty freaking big. I mean, it's big enough to fit that, but here's the funny part. Holy. Yeah, as I said, this is the old one I have. It's like a dusty as hell, dirty, but you can see from the shininess, it's like a vinyl. And it's very easy to, it's very thin. The inside is nothing. Here's the funny part, ready? Like, there's the size difference if you can see it, so. All right. Oh man, yes. I felt a little twinge, but nothing too all bad. Oh, cobweb. Why is that back there? Holy God! Just squished my Alexa. That sucks. Alexa, are you okay? It's just squished you.
I'm doing great. Thanks for checking. Just here processing requests and trying not to crash. The usual digital existence. What's going on with you?
Oh, nothing. Thank you for asking. I gotta go.
Catch you later, Harry. Have a good one.
Okay, you tell me AI isn't fucking kind of freaky, man. I'm gonna hit that light, ain't I? Did I hit the light? I think I hit the light. You guys didn't really tell me though anything. Holy God. Why does this make my printer look bigger? It is hitting that, isn't it? And you can't even see my paints. Fudge! There's a giant black box on my thing. I mean, it's better than a big black. Put it like that. Will it make any difference? Oh, it kind of does. Then I can watch it. So it's got this one giant area here, I'm guessing for an AMS on the side. Then another one on the flap on back there on the top. It can stay there. Seriously. With that top hole, even if like you like stop, you know, doing 3D printing and stuff like that, and you're like, I'm gonna get rid of my machine, I would keep this because this is a personal sauna. You put a little like stool in here that you can sit in and just like have something steaming in through the hole back there or something like that, and you can stick your head right through that top thing. So now
I'm gonna change your calendar too.
I need a new calendar.
Well, why don't you get one?
I don't know. I haven't been looking for one for myself actually, so. Remind me to, well, actually I want a few of these pictures off of this. Might frame them. I mean, I could put the stuff right here, but nah, I'll take the paint and put it somewhere else. I'm gonna put this in here though. I'm gonna put it in here, honey.
Put it in there, good.
Okay.
Huh? Yeah, Aiden. Good. Thanks.
Hi, son.
Hey, wait, Mom.
Always afraid. I mean, oh shit. It's on the bungee cord. Okay. Put this in here like this. Oh, that's not gonna work. I have to go into that first, don't I? Yeah, because it's angled like that. Okay, I'm gonna just hurt myself this way. There we go. I'm in it, all right. The plug go through the hole. Plug her in here. Yes, it fits in the box. Your regulation size spool, 2.2 pounds, 1 kilo, fits with room. It's kind of dark in there, huh? Machine's already got the light on it. Oh, well, it's a nice ambiance because of the stuff in there. I don't know if you can really see that. That's really nice. But I can see it through the window, so can you. So. I'll have to move this forward a little bit. I don't like it rubbing on that wire. Side of it. And yeah, fine. Neptune 3 Plus. Let's just see what happens. Make sure it doesn't bang back there. It's fine. We are up and running again. The main thing was like a heated chamber, so. Oh yeah, heated chamber, yeah. Okay, so 61 degrees in here right now. I'm going to temperature. I'm gonna put 60 Celsius on the bed, and there's nothing in there. How about 200 on the nozzle. All right, let me close this up for a second. So that was 60 in there. It's probably going to be the same in there right now. You know, 61. So, but see what happens. 5-minute intervals. I was putting the phone back, or the camera back. It is just 5:05 and 45 seconds. So, and it's already up to 62. So, let's fucking go, boys, go! Yeah, I don't know. It is now 66 degrees at the 10-minute mark. So. That went up to, you know, it just went up 5 degrees in there. And that's with it being all the way up top. And I did open it up and put that liquid gold in there. So this will also keep my filaments drier. Even though I already have a filament dryer. I'm very excited about this. Also, it keeps from those cold drafts when I open up the door. So it's only like 30 degrees outside right now. So. It's at 67 degrees now as we're speaking, so I'm gonna leave it on for a little bit here. Say I'm doing just an hour-long quick little print or something. We'll see what it looks like. Yeah, pretty excited though. pretty freaking excited. Yeah, 87 degrees Fahrenheit. So, and that was sitting up top. So, yeah. Fucking